Okay, I'm gonna make a recording of the most annoying sound in the fucking world. Well, it's pretty annoying. It's locusts in the summer heat being really stupid, and they quieted down, but they're up in the trees. Up in the trees. I'm gonna go to some other trees here in the back. I'm gonna try to hurry up so it's okay. Here we go. Up in the trees. Isn't that bullshit? Just let it soak in real quick. That is the sound of a locust. At least that's what the locals tell me. Oh my god. Dude, I see a squirrel. But yeah, it's bullshit, dude. I just wanted to upload this because I thought it was an annoying ass sound, and it's very unique and it's very local to the area I'm at. So if you're ever in the South, in the Tennessee area, I'm sure you'll be able to hear some shit like this.